Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today, I'm going to show you guys my attempt at soft glam makeup while also trying out a few new products today. Well, they're not new, but they're new to me. So my skin is already moisturized. I already have my eye creams on. And I'm going to start by using my e.l.f. Poreless Primer. Next, I'm going to set my primer using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows, and to fill them in, I'm going to be using an LA Girl eyebrow pencil, and I believe this is in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to conceal them with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 335 Classic Tan. So I've been watching a lot of tutorials on soft glam. And the one thing everybody harps on is like, oh, it needs to be like like your base should be the most flawless thing about your makeup. And I was like, okay. Sounds good to me. I think the hardest thing about this is actually going to be when I get to my eyes, because I am a shimmer, bright color kind of person. I love sparkles, I love shimmers, I love all that kind of stuff. And that's not really the goal with soft glam. Soft glam is more like matte and like kind of, you know, embracing the beauty of matte colors. I feel like, you know, that's been my interpretation out of everything I've seen on it. But you know, I'm excited to give it a try. It's very much out of my comfort zone, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, and I know I said I was trying new products today, and while Maybelline Fit Me obviously isn't new to me, I've used it on my channel before, but I've never used this color before, so I'm trying it out, you know, and I do like it. I think it's very pretty. I think it's a very good match. Face to my chest. I think it's a very good match. So next we're hopping into concealer, and I'm going to be trying another new to me product, which is going to be the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I have wanted to try this concealer ever since I saw Jackie talk about it. So we're gonna go with that today. I don't like this applicator. I don't like the sponge, just because I want to get in this inner corner of my eye and I can't really do that with the sponge. I actually like, I don't know, am I the only one who feels the need to like roll this around and like kind of blend it out with the sponge? Was that the intent? Because that's what I'm getting, a lot of like blending kind of. I feel a very big desire to blend with this, even though I know it's not gonna work. We'll also dab the chin on top of tip of my nose, because I don't contour or really highlight my nose, and then right in the center of my forehead. It's a little too much concealer, but it's okay. It is okay. We will be all right. Oh, if I didn't say so before, I don't think I did. I'm using the shade Caramel, and I think it's actually a really, really pretty match for my skin. I thought it was gonna be a little too light because I don't like beaming highlights like that, but I don't know, this might, you know, she just might have did something. Yeah, I really like that under my eyes. I really like that color. It's very nice. Right, now that my concealer is in place, I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder again, but this time I'm going to use the shade 30, which is medium deep, and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. Something I've been doing lately is baking less and just kind of dusting it on, and I have kind of found that I like that better than actually like sitting the powder on and baking for forever. I'm looking ashy, but it'll be okay. We're gonna fix it. Next, I'm going to contour or bronze, whichever you prefer, and I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me. This is a Maybelline Fit Me kind of day. I just realized that, but I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 360 Mocha. I'm gonna use that to contour and add some color back into my face. There we go. Now I look starting to look more like myself again. So I think next we're gonna go ahead and hop into the eyes, and I'm excited because I'm gonna be trying this new to me palette by BH Cosmetics, and it's their Morrocan Sunset palette. It has 16 colors in it, and they're so pretty. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. I'm gonna use that to start on my crease. And I forgot to show this part, but I am gonna take this color right next to it. I'm gonna start blending that in as well to kind of deepen up my crease a little bit. These are actually coming, I don't know how they look on camera, but these are actually coming across more pink and like more like a sunset. Wow. More pink than I originally expected. I was expecting more kind of like golden brown tones. Not mad at it though. Still very nice. Next, I'm going to take a slightly denser brush, and I'm going to go in with this really dark, what I think is a chocolatey brown, but I also thought these two were brown and they came out pink. So we're going to hop in here with my dense brush, and then we're going to really concentrate the color on the corner of my eye. There is quite a bit of fallout on the palette that I keep blowing away. It doesn't bother me any, but I know some people are real anal. Oh, there's fallout all over my face too. Oh. Meh, it's fine. Okay, all right, now what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my concealer. We'll try it with the age rewind. This might be a terrible idea, but you know what? It'll be fine. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my lid. I don't really want to cut crease, but I do want to like actually have a good base for the color to sit on. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy dome brush here and kind of pat that in. I kind of like, this is gonna sound real dumb, but I kind of like just how this looks with the concealer on it without the color. I'm not gonna leave it like that, but it doesn't look bad. I mean, y'all tell me, does that look terrible? Does that look awful? Am I just tripping? I'm kind of feeling the burgundy. Okay, we're gonna take the burgundy. I'm taking a flat defining brush. We're just gonna pack that color on where I put the concealer. just came out way more like colorful than I initially planned to, but I'm here for it. And I actually am gonna take that purple and kind of use it to marry these colors right here. And that looks cool. Yeah, that was a good choice. I think I'm gonna try to tame down this orange just a little bit. Like, while I think it's very pretty, I'm gonna go with this light color right here and kind of tone it down a little bit. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Love that, love that. Exactly what I wanted. Got exactly what I needed. It just looks a little bit, it looks a little more ashy now, and that's what I wanted. I wanted more of an ashy kind of color. It was coming out very, very bright, vibrant. Yes, I wanted something like more like this. That's what I wanted. Ooh, yes. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay. And I never thought I'd be this happy with just matte eyes. That's so weird. Next, I'm gonna hop over and do, actually no, next I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Makeup mist with that. Lastly, I'm gonna do my lips, and I found like a kind of neat, I was like playing around with some makeup like a little earlier, and I found like this really neat kind of combination. So first I'm gonna take this liquid lip cream from Milani, and it's in like a brown kind of color. And I'm gonna use that to kind of like line the outer part of my lips. And then I'm going to be taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the shade Athens, which, if you don't know, I go to school at UGA in Athens. So we're going to put this in the center of my lips. But I feel like that makes a really nice kind of color, because I don't like this one by itself and I don't like this one by itself, but together they make some shape. And I just realized I forgot to put on mascara, so I need to do that. But I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shots mascara. Alrighty guys, so I think this is gonna be the final look. So I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be right back. Soft Glam is not something I thought I would enjoy. I did not think it was gonna be for me, but I actually really like the way my face turned out. Even with just like using the mattes, like, come on. So I really did like this concealer. I like it a lot. Feels very good under my eyes. My eyes feel really good. This palette, really liked the mattes in here. I thought they were fun. You know, the colors are a little misleading because I feel like, yeah, my hair. I feel like, you know, these all look brown to me, and then in reality they're kind of purple. So that's a little misleading. But other than that, I really enjoyed using this palette. Also, if you are curious about my hair, get into this volume and everything with this wash and go. I actually tried the new Wetline Extreme Gel to create this wash and go, and I'll make sure to leave a link to it in the cards above. I think that's everything. Oh, I really like this lip. It's really subtle, but I feel like the eyes were bright, so the lips needs to be a little bit more subdued, which is why we went with a somewhat nude kind of color, but I think it came out really good. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like if you found it helpful, and make sure you comment down below anything you would like to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe on the way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!